Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. A few months ago, I hosted a paper share from Stampin' Up's annual catalog. Today's design is supporting those customers as well as those customers who purchased this month's online class featuring the Tropical Chic Bundle. It's my job to give inspiration to those customers and offer support for the products they have in their stash now. Anyone who is interested in having the Tropical Chic Bundle in their stash, you have 1 week left to register for my online class, where you'll get 3 exclusive videos and supplies for 6 cards. I'll put the link in the description bar below. Don't forget, I'm giving away a Stamparatus this month. And if you're not into Tropical Chic, you can sign up for next month's class as well. All right, like I said, I'm featuring the Tropical Chic Bundle in today's design, as well as a 2-inch circle punch. I have some Blushing Bride here, a sheet 11 by 8.5, and I'm going to be scoring at 1.5, 3, 5.5, and I'm going to take out my arm here and I'll score at 8. The second sheet I'm going to slice in half at 4.25. I'm going to use one on the project and put the other aside. I am burnishing all my score lines. And I am sort of going mountain, valley. Now this is a mountain, and then this is the valley. And then I'm going to put my favorite dry adhesive on the little strip there, and then just fit in the 4.25 by 5.5 piece of cardstock. So it's nice and long. It's now 12 inches long. And I'm going to use my 2-inch circle punch, punch one in Blushing Bride and the second punch with Whisper White. So I didn't bother showing you the stamping today just because it's not the focus, but I used Granny Green for the big leaf and cut out Shaded Spruce for the fern-like one, and then did a daubing effect with 2 different pinks on a Blushing Bride and Melon Mambo, I believe. All right, so this is the stuff I wanted to talk about. This is the Tropical Escape Designer Series paper. The first one I laid down is sized 1.25 by 5.25. The second one is 2.25 by 5.25. And then the third one is 4 by 5.25. Now you can use whatever papers that you have, but the Tropical Chic, these are the ones that I chose for this card. You can make them all the same too. It works just fine. So the circle is going to go right there. I'm just going to put adhesive on one side. And I'm just checking with how is it interfering? Is it not interfering? I like the way it looks. It's fine. Then I'm going to put adhesive on the back of my circle. I'm going to butt that circle up and then fold it over so that it's kind of hidden when the card is closed. So I am using my enamel dots here, glitter enamel dots in the Granny Green color. And that is my quick and simple card for this Monday. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.